actually not too bad today. It'll be very windy up here, but I guess I got a bit lucky today. This place is fascinating. History on this is really fascinating. I'll tell you a little bit about it actually. Perched on the edge of a cliff at North Head stands a relic from wartime. It's the oldest remaining radar installation in the country. In the early 1940s, this site played a key role in Australia's first steps in the world of radar. And with the world at war and Australia fearing invasion, the significance of this place cannot be underestimated. Now, in the early years of the war, before Japan bombed Pearl Harbor, Australia's defence authorities believed the biggest threat would come from attacks on coastal cities, not from air. So priority was given to the developing radar that would detect approaching ships and assist in the accuracy of the coastal defences. Australian physicists came up with a system where just one tower with one aerial was used to both transmit and receive radio waves. The first unit was installed at Dover Heights in May 1940. During its initial trials, it detected a ship off Port Stephens about 145 kilometres north of Sydney. A second unit was installed here at North Head in February 1941. An all-radar shoot was conducted using the nearby 9.2-inch guns, but since no suitable target was available, they improvised. They towed a wooden vessel out to sea fitted with a transmitter to simulate a radio echo. The trial was successful. Soon data from different radio stations around the Sydney coastline was fed to these coastal batteries. In total, 37 radar units were built across Australia at a cost of about £290,000. But as the war changed, so did the need for coastal defence. As radar technology advanced, it paved the way for breakthroughs in radio astronomy and even the development of Wi-Fi technology. While many of the original radar sites have been demolished, the one here at North Head remains perched on the edge of the cliff. It's a pretty old door. A lot of graffiti in there, heavily graffitied actually. there was some stuffer in here, but looks like it's been pretty worn out by the wind and erosion, I guess. Still got the wooden frame on the window, a few hinges. These cliff face searchlights were set up around World War II, adding a layer of defence by illuminating any threats that might approach Sydney's coastline. They got their power from the two engine rooms located at North Fort, which kept them running through the dark nights. The northern searchlight emplacement is believed to have been designated as number 26 fighting light, covering a seaward arc of 25 to 190 degrees. Meanwhile, the southern emplacement, known as number 25 fighting light, scanned the ocean with an arc from 30 to 190 degrees. The entrance to the tunnel leading to the shaft down which the soldiers climbed to reach the searchlight emplacements near the tip of North Head. So this is the entry to the tunnel that takes them down to the Searchlight. I believe that the army had filled this in later on after the war due to how dangerous it was. So yeah, interesting, absolutely fascinating.